fly yet?
No, they're just babies.
Ooh, baby buzzard. Why there sounds like that?
Mama, what is that?
A baby buzzard.
A baby buzzard?
Yeah, in a bamboo, bamboo place.
Hi!
Say hi.
Hi, babies!
How are you today?
Look, this is brand new. Look. Look, this.
Yes. Look at.
Hi!
Say hello.
Hello, babies!
Hello, birdies. Where's the mama?
Mama?
Yeah, where's the mama? Don't touch, okay?
The baby?
Yeah, that's a baby.
Baby?
Yeah, they're hiding.
Hiding? Oh. I like the baby.
Yeah, you like the birdie. Where's the other one?
I don't know.
I don't know. Just put it, just throw it. Thank you. Okay, then that's it. Say bye-bye, birdie.
Bye-bye, baby.
Be careful, okay?
Sorry, baby.
Oh.
Here's where I need to not go.
Are they cute?
Yeah. Ladies, what do you want to do, ladies?
Birdies, what are you doing there, birdies? That's their mama's nest. Remember their egg before?
Is that egg?
Yeah, 2 eggs, and then now they're chicks.
The chick
Yes, baby.
egg is right in a hole.
Yeah.
Mama, what's over
Oh. Okay, say bye. This time you're gonna say bye-bye na talaga. Bye, pretty birdie.
Ladies,
What the? I'm taking video. I'll focus them. Hopefully there's no snake. Ooh. Is that really normal sound for them? There's a bamboo shoot there. I'm not gonna get that.